Step 4.1 Maintenance electric board. First, interrupt the power the control board and place the cache in car. Second, check the status on component, keyboards, terminal, and other electrical elements. There, remove the dust and incumbent with the Bosch vacuum cleaner. Water. Redundant screws that the power system control in other parts. Fifth, organize wiring. 6. Clean the board with electric degreaser. 7. Remove moisture contact cleaner. 8. Place the power on the electric board, retain maintenance. And 9. Check on operation. Thank you.